Good afternoon to one and all. I welcome you all for the today's afternoon session in mechanical measurement and metrology subject. Okay, I'm Professor Raju Patel from Mechanical Department, Angani Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. So today I will be starting with the module 2. Okay, module 1. Introduction to metrology, definition, objectives of metrology, material standards, wavelength standards, classification of standards. These all we will be discussing step by step. Okay. So first of all, today we'll discuss about what is definition of metrology. Okay. What is metrology? So metrology is the name given to the science of pure measurements. For engineering purpose, it is restricted to measurements of length and angle and quantities which are expressed in linear or angular terms. Measurement is the process of comparing quantitatively an unknown magnitude with a predefined standard. These are the things. Okay. So next is need of inspection. Before going to need of inspection, we need what we are going to study in this first module. The important things we are going to study in this first module is units of measurements and their standards. Listen carefully, units of measurements and their standards. Methods of measurements based on agreed units. Methods of measurement based on agreed units and standards. These are the things we are going to study. And errors in measurements, whatever the errors occurs in the measuring instrument and how we have to solve the errors when we overcome that, how we can overcome that errors, that those things we are going to study in this module. Measuring instruments and devices also we are going to study. Accuracy of measuring instruments and how to take care or handle with care the measuring instruments. Those things we are going to study in this module. And also industrial inspection. This point is very important in metrology. This subject is very much related to the inspection department. Okay, the another name for this metrology is inspection, department of inspection in every industry, and which is very important in industry. So industrial inspection and its various techniques, these all we are going to study, and these are most related to design, manufacturing and testing of gauges of all kinds. So listen carefully whatever we are doing in each class, don't miss any steps. Okay, because this is very important. These are the chain system, like if one link loses, another link will lose. Okay, so these are the things. And next we'll be discussing about needs of inspection. What is the needs of inspection? Inspection means checking of all material, products or component parts at various stages during manufacturing. In old days, the production was on a small scale. Different components were made and assembled by same craftsmen. So there was not necessary of inspection. Okay. If the parts did not fit properly at the time of assembly, the craftsmen who have manufactured, who have designed, used to make necessary adjustments in either of mating parts so that each assembly functioned properly. Therefore, there was no need of inspection in the olden days. Due to technological development, new production techniques have been developed. Products are being manufactured on large scale due to low cost methods of mass production. Different component parts are made in large quantities in different shops. Listen carefully, this sentence. Different components parts are made in large quantities in different shops. Some parts are purchased from other factories other factories and then assembled together at one place. If any requirement of any of the parts, these are purchased from different other outside factories, and the component is assembled at one place. Therefore, it becomes essential that any part closer at random should fit properly with any other mating parts, that too selected at random. This is possible only when dimensions of component parts are made with close dimensional tolerances. This is only possible when the parts are inspected at various stages during manufacturing. Okay, inspection should be done at various stages during manufacturing. So the some few points which are important in inspection I will be telling you all. To ensure that the part conforms to the established standards, to meet the interchangeability of manufacturer, to maintain customer relation by ensuring that no faulty product reaches the customer. Listen carefully, this very important point. The customer should not reach the faulty product. Before that, we have to take precautions. That is the precaution is nothing but the inspection should be made in with the carefully. Okay, with carefully we have to inspect the product. These are the things. Okay, to provide means of finding out shortcomings in manufacturing. These all points overcome due to inspection. It also helps to purchase good quality of raw materials, tools, equipments, which governs good quality finished products. It also helps to coordinate function of quality control, production and purchasing. These are the things today we have discussed in the first module. So further we will be discussing objectives and other things in next class. Thank you for the today's session. So thank you.